Hmm? Ano?
Morning. Welcome to
Morning.
Dao, Pampanga. First stop, Dao. Dao ba?
Ano ba to?
Dao, Pampanga.
Maricel, good morning. Grabe, kamusta ang biyahe? Grabe, sumakit ang leg ko.
It's fine. I cannot sleep.
Ilang oras na lang ang biyahe?
Ha?
Ilang oras ang biyahe? 2 hours pa?
Yes.
Good. After 3 hours?
6 hours now. It's 3. Ilang oras na ba? What time is it now? 6 na ngayon.
Pero, pero sabi parang 5 hours na.
Okay, 2 hours to 5 hours.
President Kumars. Hi, Tin. Tin, oo, hindi ako kumakain kasi baka sumakit ulit siya. Okay na yan. Saan na yung vlogger ko? Ito na yung vlogger. Napagod. Hindi ka ba nakatulog?
Oh, 1 hour. Sakto 1 hour. Sino? Ano doon?
TJ? Parang nakita ko dito. Ayan o, Red Bull.
Ayoko magkape ka. Feeling ko pag nagkape
Pwede.
ako matijog sa...
Walang alak dyan, kuya. Ayan ang alak ko. Ito dapat kailangan.
Kinsi dito yung hinihinga mo.
Thank you sa acid.
Hi guys, nandito kami sa stopover papuntang Batumi. Ito yung pa-sandwich ni TJ. Ito na ba yung sandwich? Pa-chicken sandwich ni TJ. So meron din pa Batumi. Bad lang ako nila. Hindi lang kasi pa rin nakatapos. Yun, pakita na ng muscle. Pakita tayo niyan. Ito po yung driver namin. There's Bossing. Bossing. Ganito po kalaki yung askal. Ito po yung askal namin dito. Yan lang naman po yung askal. Ganyan kalaki. Pag tumayo, mas malaki pa po sa amin. Ito yung nandito sa atin. Ito kami ano. Kami bibilis. Ayan na. Yan. Lalayas na po kami. Alis na kami. Tapos na yung pahinga. Napakalamig. Si Alpha. Nagpapahinga si Alpha. Siya ang Alpha ng, ano, ng aso dito.
Ano daw? Mangawit ka na? Malapit na. Less than, 1 hour. Good morning! It's our third day!
Third day in Batumi.
Yan. Apat na apat dyan. Apat na apat dyan.
Oh, say hi.
Sabi talaga siya.
Hi, kaway naman dyan, kaway.
Are you good?
Hindi, huwag niyo ipakitang puyat kayo at pagod. Hindi.
Hi!
Morning, Batumi.
Coach yun. Coach yun. Maya.
Actually, ngayon ko lang na-realize yung kanta nila na patang-pata talaga.
Patana nila.
Si Michelle. Tulog na tulog, patang-pata to.
Divine.
At lalaki.
Lalo sila.
Hala, ba't ikaw lang na ano?
Konti, okay na. Sana tuloy-tuloy na. Kantahan mo nga ako ng apat-apata nyo. Ang gago ni Khalid. Tawa-tawa talaga ako. Akala ko kung ano yung pinagkakatuwaan nyo. Pati. Uy, ano nangyari dyan? Morning. Kumars, patang-pata. Akala ko yung pata-pata, hindi pala pati-pati, pala pati. We're here now in Batumi. Ang ganda ng bulaklak ko. Saan ang hotel natin? Saan daw yung hotel natin? Ayan. Ito yung dilaw. Sabi. Ay, that's mine. Yes, this is mine.
Wow, yung isa daw paddle nandun pa.
Ilang mo, luggage mo? Come to my room. Wala sa mood yan. Kausapin niya. Pagod. Oh. Ano? Ano, pagod? Ano, pagod? Ikaw nga maghawak nito. Mamaya na.
May bisita ko ng ng mga paddle. Ilagay mo muna doon ako mamagod tayo dito. Ilagay mo ng paddle. Malit ako mapitano ko. Kaya ni boy? Oo, kaya.
Kaya, boy? Sipag talaga ng
Yung admin.
Coach B natin. Kaya nga hindi ko sinabing admin eh. Hala, aakyat na naman. Nandun, binigay ko para makapag, ako, video ako. Ano yan? Kawawa naman si TJ. Sipag ng admin.
Oh, Lori, wala kang dala?
Pagdana na naman, friend.
Ulit. Sa budget. Pau, ayun na.
Ano yan, Pau?
Kulang pa. Oh, sayo na.
Tinabi talaga ni Bubo yan, panghugas ng upuwet yan eh.
Oo, pangugas to.
Mababaw, kulang.
At least kahit pa paano meron. Mahirap yung tatayo ka naman. Basta mabasa na. Tipid-tipid lang.
This is our hotel that we gonna live for 3 days. Pasok.
Same. Morning ba?
Same. Copy paste. Grand.
Morning. Ayun na. Ayun, umabot mo. May wine pa. Ba't puro wine yung ano?
Yung totoo, ano nilagay niya dito?
Ang gulo dito.
Ay, ito pala ang favorite vlogger ko.
Hey, welcome to
Batumi! Ito yung favorite.
Alam ko na eh. Ang hindi lang natin sinalihan, corporate. Meron din ang
Sabi ni Coach, sasama din daw tayo sa corporate para sigurado daw may uuwian daw tayong
Switch na to yung kapal.
Yeah, lahat yan, sasalihan natin para may mauwi tayo. Good morning. Good morning, dog.
Ate,
Pag stray dog. Ang aming vlogger, please follow, like, and share. Wala nga akong salita eh. Ano po, ang mga manonood sa akin, hindi, sa classics to. Thank you, Jay. Grabe. Kaya?
okay natin.
Thank you. Jay, salamat, Jay. Nasaan na si Kuya?
Dito nga, dito, ihilang muna ako. Hoy,
Mag-room tour tayo. May room tour ba to? Wala, bakit ganun? Pangit siya. Sana Nasaan ang ref? Andyan? Meron kaming terrace. Yan. We are in 4th floor. This is our view. Wow.
Breakfast. Punta ng breakfast.
Gusto ko na pawisan na maayos.
Ha? Isa natin vlogger. All nut. Punta kami sa aming breakfast. May sila na pangalan?
Ito ba? Ito na yun?
Pag may maingay. Pag may maingay ng mga kabayan.
Gabi.
Saan may maingay, kinatok eh. Nga kami kila Onyx kagabi eh. Saan may maingay lang, kinatok namin eh. Di tama yung hula namin.
Kaya saan ba doon?
Wow.
Bumaba ka agad sila?
Baka, magutom na din. Where are you guys? Saan na kayo? Welcome to my guys. Hi vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Welcome to my guys. Salubungan mo si Ririo.
Daming laruan oh.
Walang ginawalaw.
Hangin lang. Diretso pa? Teka.
Diretso pa. Pindutan.
Please ka nata.
Ayun, mati. Saan tayo doon? Mamaya.
Sanuri. Mas masakit sa ulo yan. Mas masakit sa ulo yan.
Ano ba natin?
Maga pa naman ah. Pwede pa tayo matulog.
Alauna daw eh.
10:30 pa lang. 10:20 pa lang.
Alas 12 tayo balik dun. Kailangan ko rin yung order natin.
Oo, tagli.
Parang gabi eh.
Ba, nakakaligaw yung ano ko. Mga sulat.
Hindi maganda mga solusyon na. Wala ko tayo sa kahit smatter tayo mga alas 12.
Oh, lalakad pa din.
Wala pa rin.
Wala pa rin yung breakfast.
Pang 2 days lang itong lakad natin. Hanggang test water pala.
Pagbalik natin, gutom na naman tayo.
Ayun na tayo, mag-ano na tayo. Patchar ko na.
Tonic. Espresso tonic.
Ay,
Video ka, mag-vlog ka ba?
okay.
Sino, si?
Osi.
Kaya mga aso.
Mapapagod sila. Magaling pa rin.
Pagod na pagod sila, pero ang taba nila, no? Parang
Napagod ang mga aso dito, lalaki.
casino, oh. Casino.
Puro sarado pa shop ah.
Grabe, may spaghetti silang pagkain.
Tapos nandito pala sa gilid.
Nagiinom pala.
Marble loading.
Bulodi. Ah, si BS. BS! Depende sa'yo.
Pero sa ito yung ano eh. Mga maps.
Muna wala na naman sila tin.
Piling ko na sa akin.
Doon, di ba doon? Di ba doon? Oo. Palayo sila ng palayo.
Parang mag-bolt pala tayo mga power.
Bolt. Puro lakad ah. Easy. Oh, puro dessert.
Bubuin sabi mo ano.
Kat.
Bibili na mo bubuin ha? Ibang ming-ming yung nakita ko.
Ming, 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 ming. Ming, 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 ming.
Buti na lang di sumama si Michelle. Ako mainit na ulo.
Pa-picture lang pala. Ayun o, naku po.
Ay, ayan na.
Kala ko pa breakfast.
Ano ba to? Ano na ba to?
Ay, may naka-classics jacket o. Sinik ata yun.
Magagalitan na tayo sa SLTN yan. Parang dito sila ano.
Wow.
Wala na tayo. Tara, McDonald's.
Baka nandun sila.
Breakfast tayo.
Yun o. Oh. Hello, kabayan.
Bayan! Hello! Ano order nyo? Chickenism. Hello! Grabe, dumayo pa kayo ng KFC. Hi! Kaya nga, not healthy. Dumayo pa kayo ng KFC dito sa Batumi, ah.
Saan daw chicken dito eh?
Ay, talaga ba? Dumayo ka pa ng KFC dito sa Batumi, Jordan.
Yummy.
May baon. Ay, putik mo. Nire-record ko lang.
Dapat sabi ko tabi ka lang sa akin eh.
Kaya nga. Grabe, makadati ka naman. Dire-diretso na yan. Parang ang sarap ng tinapay. Ayun yung bumili.
Ikaw ba naubos sa kachapuri natin?
Saan? Yan?
Ayan oh, Starbucks. Totoo bang Starbucks yan?
Oo nga, totoo kasi tingnan.
Ay, oo. Ay, hindi.
Starbucks siya dati.
Parang ngayon lang sila nagkita. Parang ngayon.
Ayan si Ann.
Ay,
Pagod na pagod kami sa biyahe. Kaya nga.
di ba?
Kuya, miss na miss mo ba?
Of course!
Hello! Good. We're so tired. Good morning! It's our guest water. Let's go! Starting line doon.
Oo, pero walang tubig.
Ano yung tubig? Ay, ilang ikot to?
Dalawa. Tagal ko.
Ah, sige.
Sarado yung tubig eh.
Ano lang yan?
Nasaan si Jordan?
Wala pa po. Papunta na.
Pakitawag. Jo! Tara. Set. Bukas.
Sabay.
Trilyo.
Tornilyo. Tornilyo.
Tornilyo.
Jerry. At Silikit. Lori. Atian. Divine. Divine.
Ay, dito tayo.
Tin, Rose. Rosel.
Ako ba, Razer?
Linda and
Wala
Rowan.
nang ibang choice. Tayo na lang.
I want to see the drummer and then help.
Ano ko?
Okay, I will repeat, yeah? It's Maya, Larry, Sirikit, Lori, Auntie Ann, Divine, Tin, Rosel, Linda, and Rowan.
So, senior
I will arrange now.
Yan, yan. Mahuli pa ako nagpupunta ng pipin. Nandun sa pagbilang.
Sasabayan mo
po yung English.
Sasabayan mo lang si... Tabaran mo, ah.
Click mo lang.
Play classics. Test water. Day 1.
Guys, you're late! Open senior.
Thank you. Eh, magay kayo. Ay, again.
Linda, there are a
How
lot
are you feeling
of.
today?
I'm feeling cold.
You're feeling cold? Yeah. Hello.
Hi, Konsay-ngigap.
Ay, oo, ganun. Pagka may nakita ka nga ganyan sa mga mall na ano, bayar, ay, hindi ako nakakagala. Fit me?
Pick me.
Ang arte. Ha? Message mo ako. May internet ka ba? Ay, bakit? Ah, okay. Saglit lang ha.
Bawat may makitang laruan. Pag pinala, magdala lang.
Ay, hello po.
Hi, vlog.
Welcome to...
Hi, guys.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys! Ang kulit lang.
Hindi, ganito na lang mamaya.
Nilalakad naman kami. Ilagay namin.
Nag-picture ba ngayon?
Hindi na.
Oo, sabi nyo, magpipicture.
Kaya nga eh. Wala kasing nag-organize. Kanina, sayang ang damit. Sa uniform.
Gaganunan ka.
Ano tawag dyan, Tin? Di ba sa'yo tong Batumi? Ano tawag dyan? Alam mo lahat sa Batumi. Ano?
Marriott. Marriott
Ito to.
Hotel.
Marriott. Ayun. Hilton. Anong tawag ng ano na to? Lake na to? Nuri Lake? Hindi mo alam, RC?
Alam ko, Nile.
Nile?
Tin! Dala yung banner natin. Oh,
Kumusta ang 2K? Hindi maganda. Kumusta ang 2K? Kaya?
kahit
Kaya? Ay, bitin! Wow! Kumusta ang 2K?
okay lang naman. Medyo bitin.
Ang yayapang! Bitin? How's your 2K? Huwag kayo maingay, may natutulog. Let's clap for ourselves who made it this far. Thank you and congratulations.
And because of you, nakilaya si Ate.
English.
Because of you, Ate Rosel is block.
Mamalang. Mama sa...
Baka next time ka lang, naka-wheelchair ka na bago po na
Yeah. So yeah, yun lang. That's all. Congratulations for today. Thank you for being on time, for listening every time. Tomorrow, whatever happens here, let's absorb all the good vibes, all the positivity on the training. Okay? Because tomorrow, that's not training, that's racing. We cannot teach you nor teach each other. Do not do that. Okay? Let's motivate each other. It's so hard. Let's motivate each other and let's focus. Let's prove them that this is not just a vacation. We are here to enjoy it. Sure. Okay? Okay. So, sorry, I'm sorry.
Tomorrow.
9 p.m. That will be our team managers meeting. We are looking forward that it will be finished around 9:30 because 10 p.m. Sorry guys, but you are 8 a.m. p.m. 3 o'clock. 9. We will huddle at 7. So do your early dinner and then rest. Take a nap for now and then 7 o'clock we'll huddle. That's the last huddle for before the race. Thank you so much. Is it okay that it's in our hotel?
Yeah.
Or we'll just discuss in the but more likely it's in our hotel lobby. Most
Yeah,
likely.
yeah.
Are you far from our hotel? Your accommodation?
No, we are here.
Just the opposite.
Okay. Ah, okay.
Is it near?
Mario.
Okay.
So shy.
Wow, Mario.
Wow.
Marian.
Too many money.
That's all. So 7 o'clock, last team huddle. 7 p.m. That's our last huddle.
Ba't paulit-ulit kasi kaya nahirapan mag-English?
That's all.
Kasi nga nag-stuck siya
She's
doon.
always repeating it and then she's gonna tell me it's very hard to speak English. Ano, okay, I'm gonna tell you now, okay? 7 o'clock, wait for the announcement. I just want to make it clear, 7 o'clock, wait for the announcement in the GC. Location maybe in our place, okay?
Most likely.
She fell hotel.
Eiffel Hotel.
See you later, alligator.
See
Okay,
you.
whatever you train today, that's it. Ladies, you know the drill.
Yes.
Tomorrow, whatever happens, if something happens, someone made a mistake, please don't let it happen. Tell them it's okay. It's okay. Okay? Because we cannot do
It's okay.
anything.
It's okay. It's okay.
Because we're not gonna do anything about it. We cannot do anything about it. If it's done, it's done.
It's okay. I'm out.
They don't want that to happen.
It's okay.
They don't want to happen that way. That also, diba? And beef.
Get the vibe. Get the vibe. When you're
And by the way, very, very important.
No mercy, ah.
If,
No mercy.
if someone made a mistake, no, I'm serious. If someone made a mistake, don't blame them.
Yes, of
They don't want, that's what I'm trying to say a while ago. They don't want that to happen.
Yes.
Because everyone in this group train hard. We dedicate our trainings early morning, so they want it to be perfect as well. So if someone made a mistake, just patch them on the back. It's okay. Let's support each other tomorrow, okay?
It's
Let's have a
okay.
good day
Do
tomorrow
good next
and the
time.
next day.
Yes.
Okay? Happy?
Happy.
What are you doing? I just said bye-bye. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Take your ladies. Take a rest. No tour for today. Take a rest.
Okay, guys.
Listen muna, listen.
So that's our test water. So you feel already that the water. So what's the feedback? What do you think? Anyone?
Much more lighter compared to...
Water is so hard.
Huh?
Much more lighter compared to...
Yeah, lighter than Malaysia. Yeah, compared to Malaysia,
Very long time, no?
It's not lighter from our water. It's a bit heavier from our water. So why it is heavier? First of all, we're doing the same training, but we're doing so much splashing. So meaning we do speed, but it's not a solid.
Not quality.
It's not a quality. That's the first few hit that we had. But eventually we're adjusting. Now that's why we adjust now. We have the test water to adjust whatever is the mistakes. We'll review all the videos as much as possible, and then we'll try to do it feedback individually from all of you guys. Guys, don't take it seriously because this is not personal. This is for you to learn, just to see where am I need to improve more. Okay? So there's nothing wrong on that. It's just that maybe we have a little bit slip and we have a little bit slip. So we will adjust from tomorrow. So for the ladies, are you okay with the ladies? I think I'm okay with the ladies. Open crew, the adjustment begins from the ladies seniors. So I think the seniors are okay. The lining up, I've heard your feedbacks, so we'll check on it about the seating position. Okay, because we never had any senior training at all. So this is your first training and the last training. So we'll have a few adjustments on the seating. Anything else that we need to know?
Me, I want to add something. Tomorrow,
Tomorrow,
I think they're saying something. Grant, you want to say something? Tomorrow lang, just to remind you guys. If we're in the boat already, no one talks. No one make a comment. Okay? Oh, you do this, you transfer here, transfer here. We don't that. We already have a lineup, especially for the boys. Please be quiet tomorrow. You know what happened today? Diba? Everyone is talking. Almost everyone is talking.
Except me.
Except Shernan.
Wow.
He's very good today.
What time?
He didn't talk. All the hits.
Until Sunday, please.
So, guys, because if someone is talking and everyone's talking, we cannot hear each other. Let's have some discipline, okay? Let's have some discipline. For the open group, we have a lineup. If you have any suggestion, is open. But it doesn't mean that you tell us, we will consider it. The thing is, don't tell your partners that you sit here, Okay? That's why there is coach. There is a coach. We will talk about it, about the feedback, especially for the ladies, the lineup. Some little bit adjustments, not that much. And we don't have time to change our program. Whatever we had from training and you know what it is after the 30, right? Everyone knows after the 30. We will not do those. No one shouts for that. Otherwise, somebody else will do it. Just throw it and pull it. Alright? Okay. We only have power. Now, counting is very, very some very, very important question, raise your hand.
And G, you want to say something?
You okay with that?
Please,
Okay, today, please sleep early. We'll have a meeting around 7. Anong oras gusto niyo mag-dinner? Early, after na lang ng meeting. Kasi magna-9 pa tayo. Kanya-kanya na lang, para walang hintayan. Kasi
Take your own
pag
dinner,
hintayan
whatever you
kayo,
want. Wherever you want.
tatagal eh.
Whenever you want.
For him?
10 o'clock.
Ha?
10 o'clock.
Okay.
Huh?
First hit tomorrow is 10 o'clock. 1 hour before we have to warm up. So, what time we should be here? 2 hours before, right? 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock means 8 o'clock. Whoever's late this morning is not acceptable. It's already international. Guys, dyan lang yung bahay ninyo, oh. Lalakarin nyo lang. And you'll be late. That's not acceptable.
2 nights, no drinking, please.
Yeah,
Alcohol.
He's waiting.
No roaming.
Okay, sure then?
No roaming around.
waiting.
No nothing. You sleep early.
Khalid control, sure then.
That's what you're going to do. Sleep early,
Control
you eat,
Coach Jun.
you sleep, you rest. Tomorrow, after 2 days, and then whatever you want to do after the race, it's up to you guys. I will not stop you.
Ma'am,
But
sana lang after
give
race.
us these 2 days that you are on 100% in sleep. Somebody have a problem with sleeping? Yeah, that's your problem. Hindi ko na alam eh kasi everything, but you sleep don't sleep. Okay, so anything else? Guys? From Dolphin, from you guys?
Angie, you want to say something?
Angie, do you want to say something, Angie?
When I call tomorrow, open, tomorrow is senior. When I call it, you know where you to line up. If I tell you 200, you know where you go. If you tell you 2K, you know who are you. You don't roam around. Where's the toilet here?
Behind.
Nearest.
Just here. Behind.
Where?
Here.
Toilet is here.
The toilet
The blue
is
one.
there. Tomorrow, nobody should be missing. Nobody's roaming around.
Bring your own wipes.
Okay?
If you need to go somewhere, tell captains or coaches or whoever you want.
Olympic is coming tomorrow.
Yeah, Marshall. Mick.
Mick Marshall.
So please inform Mick. You know, Michael is
Michael will show
the jowa of this lady.
The jowa.
the boyfriend, the fiancé.
The
If you want to
fiancé.
go, somebody buy something there,
Tell someone.
inform Mick.
Go tell.
I will ask only Mick where is this?
Or tell someone if you cannot find him. Tell
Okay.
someone, the coaches, the captains are here.
Mick is also napakaliit. Okay, anything else? Any comments? And then you're listening, Shernan?
Lagyan natin yung banner dito
Para makuha na natin.
Lagyan na namin pag
Kasi baka mamaya wala na.
Thank you, Pao.
Kasi tingnan mo sila, nakalagay na. Yung iba.
wala ba tayong banner? Ito gusto nyo? Lagyan ko na mamaya. Oh, lagyan.
Papuntahan nyo na.
Oh, antay muna kami dito.
Okay, photo shoot, are we doing it today or tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Some of them no jacket.
Patingin. Aray! Badudes. Felicity will like this. Ang cute. Ay, ang cute.
Ayoko na nga. No. Okay, credit card.
Credit card.
Usapan wine lang para sa shopping.
Ang ano?
Kakain tayo, Fred. Classic, yung classic. Gusto ko lang ganyan yung superstar na classic. Classic. Kasi naman yung isang pabilis madistract eh. Uunahan lang natin, no? Tapos susukat lang natin. Tapos hindi natin bibili. Mag-picture lang tayo. Mabilis. Mabilis ang, ibig sabihin, mabilis ang order.
Hindi 1 hour. Wow, may tinapay pa. Ay! Ang bango! Hi! Hala, bango. Ayan, oh, fresh talaga. cheese na naman.
Baboy, right?
Wow, baboy! Grabe. Bawal. Rice ko po.
No, chicken for here and then we
Ba't ganon?
crispy pato.
Naku, ayoko na mag-crispy pa.
Chicken tayo.
Chicken.
Chicken tayo. Take away lang daw. Hindi na pwede. Wala na silang space.
Stin!
Yeah.
Oh, ang sarap. Oh, baboy. Ayun. Pork. This is chicken. Chicken. Sarap.
Mura lang.
27 ang isang kilo.
30 dirhams isang kilong baboy. 30 dirhams. Salut kayo.
Kanchana.
Sige, sige, sige.
Shopping ka, te.